Well, howdy, folks. I'm going to make some sauce. I've been making sauce for a while. I'm doing it by hand, and I got to tell you, it's a very laborious task, and it sucks. So we got ourselves a sauce making machine. So this is the Weston Deluxe Electric Tomato Strainer. Weston's a decent name, I think. It's kind of equivalent to the Binford 5000 tomato sauce maker. Anyway, seems fairly simple. You put this bad boy together. It's pretty much all together in the box. You just add this thing on here, and so you take this thing out, chop up your tomatoes, put them in here, fill that bad boy right up. I'm not sure how many you're supposed to put in there. Let's go crazy. And then I got tomato juice all over my goddamn hand. Hold on. There we go. I'll just wipe it off there. So, I think the idea is here, you turn this thing on, and something comes out of here, and something comes out of here. So let's find out together. Wait for it. So you take this thing, and you push it down. Nothing's happening. Not a goddamn thing. Oh, wait for it. Oh! Well, I tell you, it's not fast. Look at that coming out of there. Huh. That's not quite as exciting as I thought it was going to be. But I tell you, it's a hell of a lot easier than doing it by hand. Oh, look at that goddamn thing. All that fucking stuff going everywhere. Hold on a minute. Well, I dropped that on the floor, so you gotta rinse that off again. Well, you get the idea. I think it could be a two-hander. I don't recommend doing it and filming it. But anyway. Oh. Well, I tell you, that does a pretty good job. It'll separate, takes all the seeds and crap out. Hold on, we're almost done. There. Jeez, that's somewhat satisfying. And then you keep going until all this crap comes out. And it's a noisy goddamn thing. But then, hold on a minute. And then there's your, there's your sauce. So, oh, that's good. These tomatoes are right out of the garden. Geez, that works good. And then, there's your waste. No seeds or nothing in that. Look at that. And then you got to cook this up, make your sauce and whatnot, but man, that's a lot easier. So this bad boy was $200. You got to make a sad whack of sauce, to justify spending $200, but this is where we're at. So there's the machine, and there's what it does. Thanks for stopping by.